like a stone thrown into a pond where there's ripples. From your very quiet beginning together, out it goes to your dearest friends and to your family, and finally to everyone who's here today. In affirming your relationship and in affirming the power of love publicly, you're making a big statement.
One night in May after my sophomore year of college, I was trying to sleep when a way too excited Victoria burst through my door and wakes me up. She hopped into my bed underneath the covers and started screaming, "Sarah, oh my God, I think I just went on my last first date ever." I brushed her aside and told her to go to bed, but she kept waking me up and saying, "Nope, Sarah, he's it."
As I walk this road with my heart on my sleeve, in the darkest night there are voices calling out to me.
I laughed it off, but then Beyonce concerts were attended, gingerbread houses were made, and trips to Kennebunkport happened. All the while, two people fell in love. I saw this love for the first time when Heidi asked Tori and Eric to go get the pizza for dinner. He was blasting Zach Brown Band, doing his best effort to sing along, while Tori kept asking him to be quiet. I sat silently in the back as Eric grabbed her hand and leaned in and sang the lyrics even louder in her face. Tori's frustration turned into laughter, and soon she joined in too. She went on her last first date, I thought to myself, and I couldn't have been happier. You always made sure that everybody around you is taken care of, and it is time that somebody makes sure that happens for you. Eric, we trust you to do that, and we know you won't disappoint.
Victoria and Eric, you have come before God and your families and dearest friends to exchange solemn vows with one another and to ask God's blessing. Victoria, do you freely and unreservedly offer yourself to Eric?
I do.
Will you live together in faithfulness and remain devoted to him as long as you both shall live?
I will, with God's help.
Eric, do you freely and unreservedly offer yourself to Victoria?
I do.
Will you live together in faithfulness and remain devoted to her as long as you both shall live?
I will, with God's help.
The clouds rain beyond the mountain.
But I do want to say, Victoria, you're the best thing that's ever happened to Eric in his entire life. He's extremely lucky to have someone like you that really does love him and really supports him and will absolutely rip somebody apart if they do something bad to him.
Don't bring this day.
Victoria, I give you this ring
Victoria, I give you this ring
as a symbol of my vow.
as a symbol of my vow.
And with all that I am,
And with all that I am,
all that I have,
all that I have,
I honor you in the name of God.
I honor you in the name of God.
Shall I kiss the bride?
I would love to.
I've been waiting long enough to see some kind of sun from above. Straight my hands towards
person I've looked up to my entire life. You're one of the most loving, caring, compassionate people I've ever met. I've always looked up to you, and you've always given me everything. You would always go the extra mile and take the shirt off your back for anybody, like the time you cleaned up my throw up when I got way too drunk at 16.
Just don't let it rain down on me. Just don't let it rain down on me. Just don't let it rain down on me. Oh no, no, no. 'Cause my fire's still burning, and there's nothing returning. Just don't let it rain down.
Victoria definitely had to grow up faster than me. I allowed myself to make mistakes, knowing she'd help me if I decided to take too much of a risk. Not having the pressure of being a constant role model is something that a little sister will always be grateful towards an older sister.
A spider walks on the flower, a living creature of her silence. No one can bother him now. Away.
What you two have is so amazing and so incredible. The love you two share is absolutely amazing, and we all couldn't be happier for you. So here's to you guys. We love you. We wish you all the luck in the world. Congratulations. We love you both.